In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Bluedart with Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your shipping process and offer reliable delivery options for your customers, integrating Bluedart with your Shopify store is an excellent choice. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth setup. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is install the multi-carrier shipping label app by Plugin Hive. This app is an essential tool that will allow you to streamline your shipping operations, so let's get started with that. First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for the Plugin Hive multi-carrier shipping label app. Once you've located the app, click on the Add App button to begin the installation process. It's as simple as just a few clicks, and this app will soon be a part of your Shopify store toolkit. Once you've successfully added the app, it's time to access it. Navigate over to your Shopify admin panel and you'll find the Plugin Hive multi-carrier shipping label app in your list of installed apps. Click to open it and you'll be greeted with the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the configuration process. This wizard is designed to make things as seamless as possible, helping you connect your Bluedart account efficiently. Now, the next crucial step is configuring the app to work with Bluedart. To do this, you need to connect your Bluedart account to the app. If you haven't already registered for a Bluedart account, you'll need to do so by visiting the Bluedart Business Integrations page. Upon registration, you'll be provided with your Bluedart credentials. These are important, as they are the key to linking your Bluedart account with the Plugin Hive app within Shopify. Once you have your credentials handy, go back to the app's Setup Wizard. The wizard will prompt you to enter these details. Carefully input your Bluedart username and password, and the app will take care of the rest, establishing a connection between your Shopify store and your Bluedart account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed and configured the Bluedart integration for your Shopify store. Now you're all set to offer smooth and efficient shipping solutions powered by Bluedart to your customers. This integration not only enhances your store's functionality, but also opens up a world of convenience for handling multi-carrier shipments. Thank you for watching, and take care.